Welcome to level 4, which is reflecting. We're doing reflections, and level 4 is really more about the lines than actually about the reflections. Okay, so we're being asked to reflect across a line y equals 7. So we want to find out where the line y equals 7 is. Okay, it's the line where the y value is always 7 no matter what the x value is. Okay, so where's one point that you're sure that the y value is 7? Well, on the y-axis at 7. Okay, the y value here is 7. The x value at this point is 0, so this is 7, 0. But this point right here is 7. Sorry, I got that backwards. Is 0, 7. The x value is 0. The y value is 7. So this is 0, 7. This is x value is 1. Y value is 7. So this is 1, 7. This is 2, 7, 3, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7. So notice all the y values are 7 all along here. Okay, so this line is the line y equals 7. So what I'm going to do is I click on my handy-dandy line tool, and I'm going to draw that line. So you don't have to go all the way across the whole grid. Okay, you could make the line really short, but I think it looks nicer going across the whole grid. Okay, so you draw your line, then you click on your shape to copy. Okay, and then we click on the handy-dandy reflecting tool. Okay, and this does all the work for you on this level. Don't worry, there's another level, reflections number 2, okay, where you're going to plot all the individual points. Okay, so this is more just to get you used to the lines. Okay, and so that's it. Let's just press return. All right, reflect across the y-axis. So this is the y-axis right here. So I'm just going to my drawing tools on. So I'm just going to start drawing like that. So it's hard to see the red on the black, but I've put my line on the y-axis. So then I click on the shape to copy, and then I click on the reflecting tool, and it reflects across the y-axis. Okay. Notice how it looks. We are with the A. We are 3 steps away from the mirror. Think of this red line as a mirror. Okay, it's a reflection. So if you're looking at yourself and you're 3 meters away from the mirror, your reflection is going to be 3 meters on the other side of the mirror. Okay, you'd be really shocked to see, yourself standing beside yourself, kind of thing. Okay, you look in the mirror, and then your reflection's on the other side of the mirror. Okay, and notice the C is right on the mirror, so the reflection of C is going to be right on the mirror as well. And then B is 7 steps away from the mirror, so the B prime is going to be 7 steps on the opposite side. So that's really all there is to it. Okay, here we're reflecting across the line y equals negative x. Okay, so this is the line where the y values are the opposite of all the x values. Okay, so when x is equal to 1, y is going to be the opposite. It's going to be negative 1, so it's that point here. When x is equal to 2, y is going to be opposite, negative 2. 3, negative 3. Okay, so it's everything along this line, like that. Okay, but also up here as well. So when x is equal to negative 2, y is going to be the opposite, positive 2. Okay, so it's everything all along this diagonal, like that. Okay, so to reflect across it, we draw the line, click on the shape to copy, click on the reflecting tool. Okay, same thing, y equals negative x. So I draw the line, click on the shape to copy, reflect. Okay, here's another one, reflect across the y-axis. There's the y-axis. Click on the shape to copy. This one's very narrow. And then click on the reflecting tool. Whoops, no, it didn't work. Okay, if that ever happens, just click the eraser. Okay, I had trouble with my line there. Okay, so I'm going to click on the shape to copy it. There we go, and then click on the reflecting tool. All right, there's the y-axis. It's reflected across the y-axis. Okay. All right, reflect across the line x equals negative 10. So on the x-axis, this is x equals negative 10, and we're looking for the line where all the x's are negative 10. So the x is negative 10 here. This is negative 10, 1. This is negative 10, 2, negative 10, 3. So along this line, all the x values are negative 10. So I click on my line tool, and there we go. So that's the line. And then I click on the I click on the object, the shape to copy it, clicked on my reflecting button, and there we go.